Hey everyone, this is Jeff with LA Fintech and another episode of the Crypto Wars number 4. So this was a pretty exciting week this week and last week in the Crypto Wars, and I'm going to go over some of that information with you right now. So the first one with Nasdaq. So we basically have the CEO of Nasdaq, Adena Friedman, mentioning how they're kind of doing a wait and hold approach, potentially partnering with somebody. Currently, they have a partnership with Gemini, with more on the compliance side. Their Gemini's using some of their compliance technology. So I think I wouldn't take out Nasdaq completely out of the crypto wars, but it's definitely something to look at. They're on the hold side right now, but the war is continuing. So another thing that came out also with Adreessen Horowitz, they're talking about another launch of a $300 million crypto fund. So it's kind of interesting because they mentioned right here where they got into crypto about 5 years ago, and they basically just rode it up all the way to the top. You kind of can see right here, rode it up to 20K and then never sold, and then now it's floundering around right around 6,200. This is much different than the private equity VC type of stuff that they're probably used to, which is illiquid. Which is why they do have a 10-year time frame. They got into the crypto side. It's much different, much more liquid. So that's a interesting news that they actually mentioned. Just let's go for grand slams, I guess. That's the risk model, I guess. Who knows? So another thing that hit, got a Uphold. Uphold is involved with various different cryptocurrencies. Basically a transmission. They actually bought out a broker dealer a couple days ago, bought out JNK Securities. This is kind of big news because they actually mentioned right here they filed Form ATS. Basically what a Form ATS is, it's when you filed to the SEC that you're going to basically set up an alternative trading system. So that broker dealer is used to file that Form ATS. What that means is these guys are going to probably get into the ICO market of trading these things and or brokering it. So here's the Uphold website. They have quite a bit of clients already. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty good deal because they have massive distribution already. Got JNK right here. These guys are equity executioners. Basically what that is they specialize in executions. You can kind of tell primarily because they have direct access to New York Stock Exchange. They're members of the New York Stock Exchange. I looked at their Form BD already, and it just shows a lot of the memberships they currently have, who they're using for some of the executions. They're using ConvergeX right here with the algorithms. So these guys are pretty institutional. They're probably going to be getting into that institutional marketplace on the crypto side. So as I mentioned previously, about 3 years ago, when Wall Street gets in, they're going to go in a big way at a much deeper level than the current players. We kind of see that with the sophistication of some of these people that are coming in. And we also see another announcement too with Blockchain.Info. Everyone knows Blockchain.Info. They're one of the biggest crypto wallets on planet Earth. So they just announced a new blockchain principal strategies, and what that is catered towards the institutional marketplace. Let's see, BPS right here. Institutions, family offices, and individual investors are catering to. This is actually led by Brianna Madigan. Her background, heavy Goldman Sachs. So I would say these guys are going to be lining up a pretty big time team. This is the new website they have for the bps.blockchain.com. They actually changed blockchain.info to blockchain.com also last few days, I think. So Yeah, this is pretty exciting times right now in the crypto world. So now we're getting into the big leagues. Also, don't forget LA Fintech, July 24th. We also have Anthony Strike from Steady Pay. He's going to be giving a demo. So yeah, come on down, check it out, meet me, shake my hand, high five. Check out the LA FinTech ecosystem. It's growing hugely. So thanks a lot for stopping by and watching the video. Share the video, give me a thumbs up, hearts, whatever you want. But thanks a lot. Have a good 4th too. Peace out.